Hurricane season can be a time of great uncertainty and anxiety. When a hurricane warning is issued, the last thing you want to do is join the mad rush to local grocery and home improvement stores, where supplies can quickly become scarce. To avoid this stressful scramble, it's crucial to keep a stash of emergency supplies on hand. Preparing in advance not only ensures you have what you need when a storm hits, but it also provides peace of mind. Batteries are a critical component of your emergency supply kit. They power essential devices such as flashlights, portable radios, and other battery-operated equipment. Make sure to stock up on a variety of battery sizes to match the needs of all your devices. Power outages are common during hurricanes, and having a reliable source of light is essential. Candles and lamps with fuel can provide much-needed illumination when the power goes out. Matches are indispensable for lighting candles, lamps, and even starting a fire for warmth or cooking. Store matches in a waterproof container to protect them from moisture. Hurricanes can cause significant damage to homes, so it's essential to have materials and tools on hand for emergency repairs. If you or a family member take prescription medications, ensure you have at least a 14-day supply on hand. Pharmacies may be closed or difficult to access after a hurricane, so having an adequate supply of necessary medications is crucial. Water is one of the most critical supplies to have during a hurricane. Store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day for 14 days. This water is essential for drinking, cooking, and basic hygiene. Consider purchasing bottled water or using clean food-grade containers to store tap water. Having a supply of non-perishable food that doesn't require refrigeration or cooking is vital. Make sure to have a manual can opener on hand, as electric ones will be useless during a power outage. A well-stocked first aid kit can be life-saving in an emergency. Staying informed during a hurricane is critical. A portable National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) weather radio provides continuous updates on weather conditions, evacuation routes, and emergency instructions. Choose a battery-operated or hand crank model to ensure it works even when the power is out. A reliable flashlight is a must-have during a power outage. Choose LED flashlights for longer battery life and brighter light. Planning to bring these supplies if you need to evacuate your location is crucial. Additionally, it's important to regularly check your emergency supplies to ensure everything is in working order and hasn't expired. Being prepared for hurricane season means more than just knowing your evacuation route. It involves having a well-stocked emergency supply kit that can support you and your family through the immediate aftermath of a storm. By gathering these essential items in advance, you can avoid the last-minute rush and ensure that you are ready for whatever hurricane season may bring. Remember, preparation is key to minimizing the impact of a hurricane and ensuring the safety and well-being of your loved ones.